Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. A to E. Yellow color, silver color, red color, light green color, violet color, purple color, black color, green color, gold color, brown color, pink color, orange color. Orange color, A. A for apple. Orange color, B. B for ball. Orange color, C. C for cat. Orange color, D. D for doll. Orange color, E. E for elephant. Brown color. Brown color, A. A for apple. Brown color, B. B for bat. Brown color, C. C for cake. Brown color, D. D for dolphin. Brown color, E. E for elephant. Purple color. Purple color, A. A for ant. Purple color, B. B for butterfly. Purple color, C. C for cat. Purple color, D. D for dog. Purple color, E. E for egg. Yellow color. Yellow color, A. A for ant. Yellow color, B. B for bat. Yellow color, C. C for cat. Yellow color, D. D for dolphin. Yellow color, E. E for egg. Red color. Red color, A. A for apple. Red color, B. B for bat. Red color, C. C for cake. Red color, D. D for dolphin. Red color, E. E for egg. Violet color. Violet color, A. A for apple. Violet color, B. B for ball. Violet color, C. C for cat. Violet color, D. D for dolphin. Violet color, E. E for egg. Silver color. Silver color, A. A for ant. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dolphin. E. E for ball. Light green color. A. A for April. B. B for butterfly. C. C for country. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Pink color. Pink color, A. A for ant. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. Thank you.